Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne. Okay, this is the first generation from 2002 guys to 2010. So, what we'll be doing guys, if your interior lights do not work guys, stay with us and we'll show you which fuse you need to check for that. Now, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Our goal, save you as much money as we can. In return, please give a like and subscribe for all the work we do. Now, this is guys the Porsche right here. And as I said, we'll have more than 200 videos. Also mechanical videos could be found on our main channels. Okay, right here, check them out. We need to go ahead, open the door now. Okay, and if your lights guys do not work, I'm going to show you now, okay, which fuse you need to check. Right here now guys, open that cover. That cover has 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. Those are the fuse numbers. Okay, holding it like that you can see the fuse numbers. And if you come on the very first row guys, we need to find fuse number 12. Okay, fuse number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is the fuse before the last one. Okay. In our case it's 10 amp. I've seen on some Porsches being 20. I don't know why. Okay, you can see light's not working. We'll grab a new fuse quick guys. Okay, I'll show you now. Okay, plugged it in. Perfect. Now, let's check if the lights work. Everything works guys, as it should. As you can see. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Don't forget to install your cover here, okay? And if you need help with anything specific, drop a comment below. We'll try our best guys to make a video for your specific problem. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.